it, beat it, beat it, beat it.
I'm going to put up a couple videos that I've been saving and holding on to. Today, right now, what I'm going to be unboxing is a Wi-Fi relay controller. And I'll unbox it first, and then I'll go through what my plans are for it. So, like I was saying to my buddy earlier, I ordered this and I got like 3 emails from 5 different people, so I can't even remember where I bought it from. I know it came from the Swiss Post, so it's quite a travel. Waited a long time, but it's here. Let's get to it. So just your regular packaging, gray box, pretty boring. Now, the price on this was $180, $150, with tax and shipping around $180. As you can tell, that's pretty good packing tape. This is nuts. First 20 minutes, it's gonna be me trying to open it. Okay, I see something. We're getting there. This is just a dear customer, thank you for purchasing, and it's from the sales department at Carry Mart. Yeah, I remember those guys. I got an email from those guys. So there's just an empty box, and this is the unit, just bubble wrap and tape. Interesting fact, aside from the item I wanted, bubble wrap, will provide some entertainment later. Here is directions for the unit, and honestly I'm just happy they're in English, because Google translates good, but you know, trying to take a picture of all of this and get it translated, not so easy. And that's just the app for your phone for the unit. Okay. So probably should have opened this up. So basically what this box is it's a Wi-Fi controller, or sorry, a relay Wi-Fi controller. So what happens is it's got a little Wi-Fi card in there, and it will transmit a Wi-Fi network that my phone will connect to on an app. And what happens is you have your 12 volt power supply, which provides the 12 volts to all the relays that are in this box that I don't know how to open. So it's probably going to be a part 2. And what happens is you can control the toggle on and off of each relay. 12 volts, which is very important for anything I'm going to do with my computer. Lights specifically. And then you know what? I'm going to cut the video, I'm going to open it up, and I'm just going to show you guys, what it looks like inside. It's better explained when you can see it. And that's the little antenna. Just your basic antenna. Screw on. Let me get the tape off me. And that's it. Again, I'm going to get it open. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like inside. And I'll probably do a demonstration of lights or something like that. We'll wire it up quick.
Hello YouTubers, welcome back. As promised, we're going to do a little run through of the Wi-Fi relay controller. What this is going to be doing in my water cool build is it's going to be powering the computer itself, so off and on for the power supply reset. I'm also going to be controlling my light source. So this relay is from Kmart, and as you can see, there's the relays, there's the Wi-Fi card, there's the power, and the power is just plugged into a regular outlet. Here's all the connections that I have connected to the relays. There's my mess of wires. What I'm trying to do is get this power supply to toggle on with that Wi-Fi controller. Again, this is just a dry run. Make sure that what I want to do is going to work. The good thing about this is it has an app for the phone. So this over here is my Galaxy. And I'm just going to go in here. Find the app. So there it is, the Wi-Fi control app. Okay. So what this does is it's got each individual control for each relay. Let's give it a try. Or connect. Oh, 1 second. So the relay is actually broadcasting a Wi-Fi signal right now. So I'm going to connect to it in my connections. And then I'm going to go into the control app. Then I'm going to connect. So, the Wi-Fi card blinking, everything's good. Now, so what happens is, I press this, and the PSU powers up. Just perfect. You can actually hear the relays. Now, just to be sure, I've got a light over here. is coming on and off. And I've actually got a fan as well. I don't know which one is the fan, so try them all. Oops. So there we go. So again, that's all with my phone. Fan off, fan on. Try to get a wider shot. And so there's the light, the fan, both on at once, both off. And power supply off, I'll shut off my computer. And this is all happening from there. Thanks for watching. Glad everything went well. And this is what I will be doing to control the lights and the power button from my computer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.